Cooking with the Birthday Bird by GLENDA, ARMAND, illustrated by GERARDI. The birthday bird flew from Catrue. He will bake a cake for you.
For me?
Just for you.
For me?
This is your day. He will bake the Catrue way.
Oh, way?
He has a book. Take a look. Grab a hat. Help him cook.
Hop and cook?
Sugar, flour, add milk too.
Milk too.
Now crack some eggs.
Crack
Just
them eggs.
2 will do.
Got 2 more too.
Now you mix it.
Mix it.
Spin, spin, spin. Look,
Look.
you have some on your chin.
Then
Let it bake.
we make.
Then cool down.
And go down.
Squeeze on pink
Squeeze on pink
and blue
and blue
and brown.
and brown.
Now he will sing
Sing.
the birthday song.
Let's say done.
This is your day to sing along.
This is the day to sing along.
You eat your cake.
You eat your cake.
You dance and play.
You dance and play.
Now the birthday bird must fly away.
Fly away.
Until next year, on your big day.
On your big day.
The
The
end.
end.